Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and creating the project that will host DirectX 11. Make sure Windows SDK and Visual Studio are installed, then create a Win32 app or UWP template. Add D3D11, lib and D3D compiler. Lib to the linker settings and include the DirectX headers. Once done, initialize a basic window and message loop. That gives you the environment to call D3D11, create device, and create a swap chain without delay. You proceed to create the device and swap chain so rendering can begin. Call D3D11, create device or create device and swap chain with appropriate driver type and feature levels, then create a render target view from the back buffer and a depth stencil view. Set a viewport matching your window resolution. Next, compile HLSL with D3D compile, create vertex and pixel shader objects, and bind an input layout. Once bound, issue draw or draw indexed calls to feed the pipeline. You finish by allocating GPU resources and implementing the render loop that drives frames. Create vertex and index buffers plus constant buffers and update them each frame via map/unmap or update subresource. In your loop, clear the render target and depth stencil, set input assembler, vertex, and pixel shader states, then call draw and present, 1 for vsync or present, 0 for uncapped. If something breaks, handle device lost. Recreate buffers on resize, and check result to find the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.